past closing time. I think today's Monday anyway, come think about it. Sure. So, understrike-engine, it's got, all the typical parts for it. But, I'll get her started up there and see about it. But in the meantime, that spark, I think somebody on that other video said they didn't see it. So we'll do it again. Right down here I'm referring to that little LED. Hooked it up like that right there. And when I turn this flywheel, the way that works, and this comes up there and it hits that trip on that igniter, and it goes forward and touches the two contacts together, that's when this light comes on. Current's flowing. And when they break is when it goes off. That time in between that part is the dwell. But to verify that you actually do have a circuit up here and it's timed at the point on the flywheel, refer it to as a timing light. But the way it works, I'm going to turn the lights out so y'all don't see it. Oh no, that's too big. So, let's see about that other. That's not going to be the right one. I'm gonna turn a different light off. It's wrong one. And I told y'all, it's a little bit past quitting time. So, I just go enough. Oh yeah, it might work. Yeah, it's not that I have lights that are too bright. It's just that for this shot, it's not the right place. Maybe that is. Oh yes, perfect. Magnifico. Number 1. So, oh yeah, I'll tell you about this then. Y'all watch it right there. I know what you see, hardly nothing. But believe me, there's a LED in amongst that darkness right there up there towards the front when the light went out. And I'll turn the light back on before I move the camera, and we'll take notice about where it's at. But when the engines are running and you come around on ignition on that igniter, it'll light that light up right there when that snaps. You don't see that? Whoa, I seen that. And there'll be a smaller one halfway around. And when it comes around there again, it'll do it again. That's when that magneto, see, there's a weak one right in the middle. Now come around on compressor, and it comes around, and when it's snapped, okay, now that it's snapped and that light went off and told you it did, you look at your flywheel down at the bottom to where you're at. Little notch is that, and see if it's in line with that. Right in yonder. Well, light ain't, y'all probably can't see that. But if we're straight it up like that and everything, and that just did that right there, that's where you time one. I'm just saying. Now you can say you've seen spark. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll start up tomorrow. Understrike, Type M, International, 1/2 horsepower. Oh yeah, this engine has an L mag on it, and it also It has a gear on that crankshaft right there that came with the speed reducer thing that went on the gear thing that went on the back of this engine. That's the unique part about this whole engine, is it was a engine that one time was set up to have that apparatus bolted to it. I'm just saying. Another flathead-Ford engine. We'll figure out what year it is. Down up there at that Doane, Missouri auction sale. Scotty sold me. I'm not sure who was auctioneering at the time. But anyways, this is the condition I got it in. It's the last thing to unload off the trailer, I reckon. So, and this is the way I got it. And you look down through there, that thing is, it's, in my opinion, ready to run. There hasn't been a mouse nest or anything in there. Very clean. Even the spark plug holes are clean. It's a 8 BA, you know, your regular old standard fare. There's markings on it. But we'll get a scrape down there and see what the markings up on top of the block is, you know. But I just thought I'd bring you up to date here. It didn't have an oil pan on it there. It looks pretty good up in the bottom down there. Clean as can be. Even the porch, you know. Couldn't find no cracks on it. You know, I bought it as is. So anyway, we'll get this thing in the house, sir. See what we got. Oh yeah, right there's a flathead. That right over here, that's a 1.5 horsepower International 1918. You know, man, what I'm talking about. Understrike. All the correct parts. You know, a couple of shop built things there, you know, just do it. I'll show you something. That little part right in there. It's framed and such. Real good. We're on the strike work right there. Just catch more out and slide it out. You use that there Teflon. Use that Teflon packing in that fuel pump. Now you don't have no leaks most of the time. Not all together. You have to put some of that rope packing in there with it to make a pellet strip. But the redeeming reason is make it all worthwhile is that gear right there. hydrant shop over there. Job come in. Oh yeah, turn that next and grade right there.